Welcome to Cars Insider, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, insights, and everything automotive. If you love classic and rugged vehicles built for adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Today, we take a closer look at the legendary UAZ-452 Bukhanka in a striking orange color. This iconic Russian off-road van has been a staple of rough terrains for decades, and even in 2025, it remains a reliable choice for those who demand durability, simplicity, and off-road capability. Let's explore what makes the Bukhanka special and how much it costs today. The UAZ-452, affectionately known as the Bukhanka, first rolled off the production line in 1965. Designed as a multi-purpose all-terrain vehicle, it quickly gained a reputation for being rugged, reliable, and capable of handling the toughest conditions. It has remained in production with minimal design changes, a testament to its timeless functionality. Whether used by military forces, rescue teams, or off-road enthusiasts, the Bukhanka has proven its worth in extreme environments. In 2025, the UAZ-452 retains its unmistakable boxy design, round headlights, and utilitarian appeal. The version we are looking at today comes in a vibrant orange color, adding a modern twist to its classic appearance. This bold color choice makes it stand out, ensuring visibility in harsh terrains while also giving it a fresh and adventurous vibe. Whether crossing snowy landscapes, rocky mountains, or muddy trails, the Bukhanka remains a go-to vehicle for those who need a tough and practical workhorse. Inside, the UAZ-452 keeps things simple yet functional. The interior is minimalistic, built for practicality rather than luxury. In 2025, the model has received a few minor updates, including improved insulation, slightly more comfortable seats, and an updated dashboard. However, don't expect cutting-edge technology or premium materials. This is a vehicle built for utility. Depending on the configuration, the Bukhanka can seat up to 9 passengers, making it ideal for group expeditions or transport in remote areas. The cargo variant offers ample storage space, making it a practical choice for businesses and adventurers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 UAZ-452 is powered by a 2.7-liter gasoline engine delivering 112 horsepower. It is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and features full-time all-wheel drive with a locking differential. This powertrain may not be the most powerful by modern standards, but it is designed for reliability and ease of maintenance. The high ground clearance and simple suspension setup allow the Bukhanka to tackle off-road conditions effortlessly. Unlike many modern SUVs filled with electronic systems, this van sticks to the basics, making it easy to repair in remote locations. One of the biggest advantages of the UAZ-452 is its legendary durability. Built with a straightforward mechanical layout, it can be repaired with basic tools almost anywhere. Parts are widely available, and maintenance is relatively simple. This is why it remains popular in rural areas, where dependable transportation is a necessity. The Bukhanka may not be the most refined vehicle on the road, but it gets the job done when it matters most. Now, let's talk about pricing. In 2025, a brand new UAZ-452 starts at approximately 1,200,000 Russian rubles. This base price includes the standard off-road capabilities and a no-frills interior. For those looking for additional features such as extra insulation, better seats, and modern conveniences like a basic infotainment system, the price can go up to 1,500,000 rubles. The cost also varies depending on the specific model configuration, whether it's a passenger van, cargo transporter, or expedition-ready version. On the used market, older UAZ-452 models can be found for as low as 500,000 rubles, depending on their condition and mileage. Well-maintained units with low mileage may cost around 900,000 rubles, especially if they have been upgraded with aftermarket modifications for better comfort and off-road performance. Despite its old-school approach, the Bukhanka continues to hold its value due to its reliability and unmatched off-road capabilities. For those who appreciate rugged simplicity and the ability to go anywhere without worrying about complicated electronics, the UAZ-452 remains an excellent choice. It's not a vehicle for those seeking luxury or speed, but it excels where modern SUVs struggle: harsh environments, remote locations, and extreme conditions. The orange color makes it even more distinctive, giving it a bold and adventurous personality. That's our look at the UAZ-452 Bukhanka in 2025. What do you think about this legendary off-road van? Would you consider owning one? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Cars Insider for more reviews and updates on classic and rugged vehicles. See you in the next video.